Right, hi everyone, Chris here again, 2E0UKH, and I'm just doing some experiments with this Baofeng T1 radio, and it turns out this UHF only radio has got some little secrets. There's some bands you can use also. So I posted my video the other day and a radio ham contacted me from the UK, I think he was, John Townsend, and he told me that this radio will work on another band. He's got it working on 2 meters. So remember, this is advertised as a UHF only FM 15 quid little radio, directly programmed from the computer, no manual programming. So I've got it connected on this software, and I've managed to put in 1456625, which is a simplex which is a repeater output, and I've got the repeater input and the tone. So I've managed to send it to the radio, and it works. It appears on the radio. Now you've got to bear in mind this Baofeng's got a very tiny stub antenna. You know, it's like 1 inch long, and it's fixed. You can't put an external aerial in, so it's not going to pick much up. But if you just want a 2 meter radio for a node, or you wanted the call-in frequency, or you know, emergency, it'd be handy. Anyway, so I've flashed this. I've sent it over to the radio, and before I show you the radio, I'm just going to show you something I noticed on the software. So if I go to this at the top here, it's called Machine. You don't really need to see much, but I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Now remember, I haven't hacked this radio. I haven't unlocked the capabilities of it. This is straight out the factory. Now in the software at the top, you can just see it, 9100. That's the model number. Like I said, it's called a BF 9100. They call it a T1. A very confusing naming system, but you can clearly see it says VHF and UHF. So that's interesting. You know, it might actually work on VHF. So that's a good sign. Right, so I flashed it over to the radio. I'm going to zoom back out. Okay, so we'll forget about the computer, and I'll go over to the actual radio. So I'm just picking the radio up. I can't do a repeater because I'm not going to hear it from here anyway. Not on this tiny aerial. That's another one in the background. So where's my camera? So with the white background, I don't think that's picking up the screen very well. So on the radio, 145,550, that's in. And I've got another radio here. On the bottom line, you can see it's got 145,550. So I'm just going to check that it works with it. I'm going to lay it down there on the keyboard. So not much to see, but you might as well. So I'm just going to go in the other room and put a call out, and you'll see that it does work. Turn the volume up. 2E0UKH, 2E0UKH, just doing a test call on the Baofeng T1. (2E0UKH). Yeah, so I'm just back. So there was audio. I'm just going to review it. I couldn't hear it from the other room very well. 2E0UKH. So there's definitely audio. Anyway, so I'm just going to do some more tests on this, and I'll keep you informed if I find any important information. 73 2E0UKH.